Welcome guys to another episode of the Extra Mile. My name is Alex and welcome to another C63 episode. And I have been looking forward to today's episode for quite a while, because today we will get rid of the winter wheels and winter tires and get our lovely new OZ or OZ 19-inch summer tires on. And we couldn't have picked a better timing because it's extremely cold right now and it actually snowed last night. So pretty good day to get rid of the winter tires, right? But yeah, so let's check them out, and most importantly we will weigh the old tires and the new tires and see if we actually saved any weight, which should be pretty interesting. So yeah, stay tuned guys. So, before we start this episode, let me inform you about the little change that I made for the channel. Starting from today, you will always find the programming that is scheduled for the week in the description. So you can click there right now and you will see what episodes will air tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And yeah, I thought that would be a good idea just to keep you guys informed, and so you can see what to expect over the course of the week. Every Monday from now on will be a Mercedes AMG focused episode. There's still a lot of weight saving that we need to do and all kinds of different performance optimizations, let's call them that. So yeah, I thought that would be a good idea. As I said, it will be a little bit more predictable and a little bit more scheduled, the whole thing. But anyway, let's get back to the car. So, before we take a look at the new wheels, let's take a look at some pictures of the old ones. They were definitely not bad looking, but I think we can improve on that a little bit. So yeah, let's get the new ones on, and then hopefully those will look a little bit better. Okay, traction control. Yeah guys, we do have the new wheels on. They look fantastic. I will show you those wheels in a second. And I also have a guess about weight saving. It does feel like the suspension is a little bit less harsh, that it rolls over bumps a little bit better, and it also feels like the car picks up speed a little bit more easily. That of course can be placebo, don't get me wrong, that is not an objective fact, it's just a feeling. But I think we might actually save a little bit of weight over the stock wheels. But before we test that and throw them on the scale, I will show you what these new wheels look like. And here we go! These lovely wheels are called OZ Leggera HLT, I believe it was. We do have a 19-inch by 9 wheel at the back and a 19-inch by 8.5 in the front. The eagle-eyed viewers among you will notice that the center cap is missing right now. I do have the OZ center caps that go on these wheels usually, but I prefer a Mercedes center cap and would like to use that, so I will order one of those. I just went to a Mercedes dealership, and the stock Mercedes center caps are either too small or too large. They do not fit these wheels. So yeah, here are the lovely new wheels. I think they look awesome. The tire that I've chosen is Michelin. You can see that there, Pilot Super Sport. There you can read that. So it's not quite a semi-slick tire, but it's a very high performance tire and I really like it so far. So yeah, now there's only one thing left to do, and that is weigh these wheels and the old ones. Actually, I have weighed these already, and see if we saved any weight at all. I'm quite curious now. Alright Alright guys, so I have weighed the new wheels at the dealer where they were installed. The front wheels were a little bit lighter than the rear wheels, which makes sense because they're a little bit smaller. The front wheels were 20.5 kilos, which is this many pounds, and the rear wheels were 20.8. I thought the difference between those two would be a little bit larger, but that's what we're comparing it to, or comparing these two. So now, the moment of truth. Let's see if we actually saved any weight or if we gained any. I'm quite curious now. Alright, here we go. Oh wow! That's actually pretty cool. 22.3 kilos. That means that we have saved 1.8 kilos per side at the front and 1.5 kilos per side at the rear, and that is a noticeable difference. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is it for today's episode. I'm actually quite happy that we saved some weight. It's not a lot, but every kilo counts, especially when it comes to unsprung weight and rotational weight. It's quite important. And I actually did notice a difference in the handling and a little bit in the acceleration, I think. But yeah, quite interesting. Let me know what you think about the wheels, if you like them, and I will see you in the next episode tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.